Looking for woodworking tools that actually make your projects easier and more professional? In this video, we're counting down 10 woodworking tools worth buying for every skill level and budget. Stick around until the end, because some of these can seriously upgrade the way you work, and as always, you'll find all the updated links in the description below. Kicking off the list at number 10, this wood-burning kit is one of those tools that instantly makes woodworking feel more creative. Instead of just cutting and assembling pieces, you can actually personalize your projects with names, patterns, lettering, or small decorative details that make them look custom-made. What's nice here is that it comes with a huge variety of tips, so you're not locked into one style or technique. Whether you want clean lines, shading, stamping, or simple engraving, it gives you room to experiment without spending a fortune on separate accessories. The adjustable temperature is also a big deal because it helps you work on different types of wood without constantly fighting burn marks or uneven results. It's especially good for beginners who want an easy entry point into pyrography, but even experienced hobbyists can get a lot out of it for signs, gifts, coasters, or furniture accents. Definitely not the most industrial option out there, but for creative woodworking projects at home, it's surprisingly versatile for the price. Coming in at number 9, this corner clamp and positioning square set is one of those simple upgrades that can make your woodworking projects look way cleaner without adding extra effort. If you've ever tried assembling cabinets, drawers, frames, or shelves and ended up fighting crooked corners, you immediately understand why tools like this matter. The aluminum squares help hold everything perfectly aligned while you clamp or screw pieces together, which saves a ton of frustration during glue-ups. What really makes this set useful is the variety of sizes, because smaller squares work great for detail projects, while the larger ones help stabilize bigger panels and furniture pieces. The included clamps are also surprisingly handy for quick adjustments instead of constantly reaching for separate tools. Beyond accuracy, it just speeds up the whole process, since you spend less time measuring and correcting mistakes later. It's especially valuable for beginners who want more professional-looking results without complicated setups, but even experienced woodworkers appreciate how much smoother assembly becomes when your corners stay locked exactly where they should. At number 8, we have a tool that a lot of woodworkers don't realize they need until they actually try one. This digital angle finder takes a lot of guesswork out of cutting, aligning, and setting up tools, especially when precision really matters. Whether you're dialing in a table saw blade, adjusting a miter angle, or checking if shelves and frames are perfectly level, it gives you quick readings in seconds instead of relying on eye estimates. The magnetic base makes it incredibly convenient because it attaches directly onto metal surfaces without sliding around while you work. Another thing people appreciate is the large digital display, which is way easier to read compared to tiny manual markings, especially in darker workshops. It's also rechargeable, so you're not constantly swapping batteries halfway through projects. For beginners, it helps avoid costly cutting mistakes, and for more experienced users, it simply speeds up setup time while improving consistency. Definitely one of those small tools that quietly makes every project feel more accurate and professional. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Sliding into number 7, this mini table saw setup is one of those surprisingly versatile tools that can save a lot of space while still handling a wide range of detailed woodworking tasks. It's especially useful for hobbyists, model makers, DIY creators, or anyone working on smaller projects where dragging out a full-size table saw just feels unnecessary. What makes this one stand out is that it's not limited to cutting. With the included sanding, polishing, engraving, and grinding accessories, it works more like a compact workstation than a single-purpose tool. That flexibility is a huge advantage if you enjoy crafting, fine detail work, or experimenting with different materials beyond wood. The adjustable speed control also helps you work more carefully on delicate cuts, instead of feeling like the machine is fighting against you. Obviously, it's not designed for large furniture builds or heavy-duty lumber, but for precise cuts, small custom pieces, and creative workshop projects, it offers way more functionality than you'd expect from something this compact. Number 6 is a great pick for anyone who enjoys the more hands-on and artistic side of woodworking. This carving and whittling kit gives you everything needed to start shaping wood into detailed pieces, without having to buy tools separately one by one. What makes it appealing is how approachable it feels, especially for beginners who want to learn carving without investing in expensive professional gear right away. The variety of blades lets you handle different styles of cuts, from rough shaping to smaller detail work, and the wooden handles are comfortable enough for longer sessions without feeling awkward in your hand. It also comes with sharpening accessories and safety gear, which is honestly something a lot of starter kits forget about. Beyond simple practice, this is the kind of setup people use for spoons, small sculptures, decorations, or personalized handmade gifts that actually feel unique. More advanced woodworkers may eventually want premium chisels for heavy-duty carving, but as an all-in-one kit for creativity and learning, it delivers a really satisfying experience. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Halfway through the list, this pocket hole jig is the kind of tool that can completely change how confidently you build furniture and woodworking projects at home. If you've ever wondered how people get those clean, strong joints without visible screws everywhere, this is basically the shortcut. It helps you drill perfectly angled pocket holes that pull boards together tightly while keeping the final result looking much cleaner and more professional. What's especially useful is the adjustable depth system, because it works with different wood thicknesses instead of forcing you into one setup. That flexibility makes it great for everything from simple shelves and cabinets to tables, drawers, and repair work around the house. The clamping design also keeps the wood steady while drilling, which helps avoid slipping in uneven holes, especially if you're still learning. Sure, experienced woodworkers may already have larger premium jigs, but for DIY projects and everyday builds, this tool offers a really practical balance between simplicity, speed, and solid results. Coming in at number 4, this cordless orbital sander is one of those tools that makes woodworking feel a lot less exhausting, especially during finishing work. Sanding by hand can take forever, and even then it's hard to get a surface that feels consistently smooth across an entire project. This Bosch model keeps things much easier thanks to its compact cordless design, which gives you freedom to move around without constantly fighting extension cords in the workshop. The random orbital motion also helps reduce visible swirl marks, so your projects end up looking cleaner before stain or paint even touches the wood. Another thing people really appreciate is how comfortable it feels during longer sessions, because the vibration stays relatively controlled compared to cheaper sanders. It's great for furniture, cabinets, tabletops, and basically any project where the finish actually matters. Battery runtime depends on how aggressively you use it, of course, but for portability, comfort, and smooth finishing results, this is a tool a lot of woodworkers end up reaching for constantly. At number 3, we have a tool that proves woodworking doesn't always need loud power tools to feel satisfying. This Japanese pull saw is all about precision, control, and incredibly clean cuts with surprisingly little effort. Unlike traditional Western saws that cut on the push stroke, this one cuts on the pull, which gives you more stability and helps create thinner, smoother cuts without tearing up the wood. It's especially useful for fine woodworking, joinery, trimming, dovetails, and detail work where accuracy matters more than brute force. Another thing people love is how lightweight and responsive it feels in the hand, almost like the saw naturally follows your cut line instead of fighting against it. The double-edged blade also adds versatility, since one side handles rip cuts while the other is better for cross cuts. Obviously, it takes a little adjustment if you've only used standard saws before, but once you get comfortable with it, many woodworkers end up reaching for this type of saw way more often than expected for cleaner and more controlled results. Taking the number 2 spot, this compact trim router is one of the most useful tools you can add to a woodworking setup if you want projects to look cleaner and more finished. A lot of woodworking details that seem complicated, like rounded edges, decorative profiles, grooves, or smooth trimming, suddenly become much easier once you start using a router like this. What makes this kit appealing is that it comes with multiple router bits right away, so you can experiment with different edge styles and cuts without buying extra accessories from day one. Despite being compact, it still feels powerful enough for most DIY furniture projects, shelves, cabinets, and small workshop builds. The clear base also helps with visibility while working, which makes controlling cuts a lot less intimidating for beginners. It does take a steady hand at first, especially around delicate edges, but once you get comfortable with it, this becomes one of those tools you constantly find new uses for. For adding professional-looking detail work without spending a fortune, it's an incredibly solid option. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, this self-centering drill bit set is one of those small woodworking tools that can make an unexpectedly huge difference in the quality of your projects. It may not look flashy at first, but if you've ever installed hinges, drawer hardware, handles, or cabinet doors and ended up with screws slightly off-center, you already know how frustrating that can be. These bits automatically guide the drill exactly into the center of the hardware hole, which helps keep everything aligned properly without constant measuring
repairing and repositioning. What really makes them stand out is how much cleaner and more professional the final installation looks, especially on cabinets and furniture where tiny mistakes become very noticeable. They're also incredibly easy to use even for beginners because the spring-loaded design keeps the bit steady while drilling, unlike larger power tools that only help in specific situations. This is the kind of accessory you end up using constantly during woodworking projects, furniture assembly, repairs, and detailed installations. Simple, affordable, and genuinely practical. It's easily one of the smartest additions you can make to a workshop.